Step inside a dreamy coastal retreat. From a serene blue beach house and ocean view porches to elegant kitchens and tranquil bedrooms that blend comfort with coastal charm. A light blue beach house with classic architecture, dark wood shingles, and lush greenery creates a tranquil tropical retreat. A cozy porch with ocean views and tropical decor flows into a sunset balcony with wicker dining, snacks, and stunning water views, perfect for relaxation and evening gatherings. The living room blends coastal charm with comfort, featuring blue-tone sofas, patterned pillows, and wicker accents. Large sliding glass doors open to ocean views, while elegant details like a woven lamp and gold-framed side table add sophistication to the airy, open-concept design. This bright, coastal-inspired kitchen features a spacious island, deep blue and cream cabinetry, and modern lighting. Glass front cabinets, a carved range hood, and decorative shell accents add elegance, while high ceilings and large windows keep the space open and airy. organized pantry with light cabinetry features open shelves, closed drawers, wine slots, and clear jars, all highlighted by soft lighting for a clean, functional look. A cozy dining nook features a circular wooden table with woven chairs, teal textured wallpaper, a warm chandelier, and coastal artwork, creating a natural and inviting space. A formal dining room showcases a long wooden table with patterned blue and white chairs, a grand fireplace, and large windows framing lush greenery, all tied together with rich tones and an elegant chandelier. The bedrooms balance serenity and warmth, from a soft gray and white retreat with sheer curtains and classic furniture to a cozier olive and deep blue space with rustic wood accents. Details like a blue nightstand with gold hardware, a geometric lamp, and touches of greenery add character and charm. These bathrooms blend style and freshness, with one featuring a light gray-blue double vanity, sparkling chain-like lights, and spa-like organization, while the other pairs mint green walls with a unique glass sink and bright, airy design. This bedroom blends calm and charm with soft blues, grays, and a cozy layered bed, while large windows showcase outdoor views. A rustic lamp, vibrant chair, and lush greenery add warmth and eclectic character. This rustic vanity features a rounded wooden cabinet, glass bowl sink, and bold geometric wallpaper. Shell accents add coastal charm, while a circular mirror and industrial sconces balance warmth with modern style. This luxurious bathroom features a gray double vanity with marble counters, framed mirrors, and elegant lighting, plus a makeup area with an ornate stool and orchid centerpiece. This bathroom combines earthy elegance and modern comfort with a tiled shower, freestanding tub, and marble vanity accented by a glass sink, orchid, and artistic details. This spacious bedroom offers breathtaking ocean views through sliding glass doors, featuring a modern bed with a dark wood headboard and studded frame. A light blue vaulted ceiling enhances the airy feel, while a large ceiling fan adds both style and comfort.